What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you this website called dscomparison.com. It's a good place for beginning dropshippers to go to because it has a lot of information. You can kind of think of it as a map that's going to guide you to other places you can go. For example, if you want to make a decision about what kinds of dropshipping tools you can use, there is a database that has tons and tons and tons of different dropshipping tools. They even have DropX and SkuGrid. These are the two currently non-API providing solutions for those of you who are more interested in manual dropshipping. Okay, but they've got all the other tools here. And these are, I'm pretty sure most of these are affiliate links. They're actually not my affiliate links. So the person who made this website called me, and we did a call, and I figured, you know, this website's useful enough, I'd like to show you guys about it, okay? So the main thing I want to show you is the dropshipping tools section. And then you can also go down and look at the blog. And the blog has a really, really informative article about the dropshipping flag. If you guys want to learn more about like the different ways that eBay flags your account as a dropshipper and some of the theories that people have, this is a really, really like decisive, I'd say, blog post that explains like, okay, this is what happened, this is how you can identify, you know, it shows screenshots from the flagging happened and all of your impressions disappearing. Talks about contacting eBay, gives you some advice on that, talks a bit about the lawsuit in Israel against eBay. Has a lot of information. So if you guys want, I strongly encourage you to check it out. And I think there's another section I want to show. So if we go back to dscomparison.com, there's a section about there's dropshipping suppliers, dropshipping directories. There's a lot in it right now. I think at the moment the mostly developed stuff for the blogs and the dropshipping tools. But it's a good kind of home base for any of you who are interested in dropshipping, want to learn more about it, want to identify different dropshipping software that's available, all this kind of stuff. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao.